Hi guys, welcome back to my bathroom. So tonight I'm going to get ready for bed and I'm going to walk you guys through my 3-step get I'm ready with me routine. And the importance of this video is to really focus on showing you guys how I like to nurture my skin without stripping away my natural oils and really protecting my skin once I've used acids. So one brand that I love and I recently came across is Alpha H. And I love their glycolic acid. It's a liquid gold. That is my absolute hero. So I really wanted to partner with them and share with you guys some of their other products carried at Sephora. So let's get started. So step 1 is activate. And for this step, I'm going to be using my balancing cleanser, which is a cream cleanser. And this is great for balancing your pH levels and also making sure that you maintain a healthy skincare barrier so that you're protected against pollutants and irritants out there. So I'm going to take about this much and then massage it into my skin. And remember to really enjoy this process. I really love cream cleansers because if you are like me and suffer from really dry skin, cream cleansers are a great way to really remove impurities without actually stripping away your natural oils. Turn this into a ritual rather than just a task. Now I'm going to take a little bit of water and emulsify the product. And don't forget your neck, guys. And that's it, guys. Alright, so the next step is accelerate. And for this step, I wanted to try their liquid gold mask because, as I told you, I was so in love with the actual liquid gold liquid that I needed to try the mask. And what's amazing about this mask is that it contains 15% glycolic acid and 5% lactic acid. So I put a little bit into my dish and I'm going to apply this all over my face. You can use this mask once to twice a week maximum. I usually use it around once a week because it's quite strong. I leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I use the little sponges to just wash it off. But it's a great way to help accelerate skin renewal and really shed the old skin cells so that if you do suffer from pigmentation, fine lines, enlarged pores, this step is really going to help affect your skin and really aid that renewal by shedding the old skin cells much quicker. And don't forget your neck. Cool, so I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to come right back and wash it off. Okay guys, so I've had this on for about 7 minutes and I really feel it tingling on my face, which is always a good sign that it's working. So now I'm going to use my sponges again to wash this off and get ready for the last step. I always feel like my skin feels so much smoother after doing this step. I would love to know how you guys feel after using this product. Maybe you can DM me or leave a comment down below. It's so nice. I feel like there's a reason why it's called liquid gold. Alright, and now we're ready for the last step. Step 3, which is the last step, is the advocate. And for this step, I'm going to use my vitamin B serum, and this serum is amazing if you are having uneven skin tones, if you're dealing with controlling your oil production, protecting your skin against environmental stresses, so anything like that, such as, even producing collagen for your skin much easier, this serum is amazing for that. So I like to use the serum every time I finish off my mask because I feel like they really work well hand in hand. One exfoliates, the other one just really nurtures and protects the face. Really love the serum. It contains niacinamide to help hydrate and a bunch of other yummy ingredients. We're gonna write them down below for you guys. And the next morning, if you want to protect the results, you want to just use an SPF. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video and tune in for more videos. Bye, guys.